I'm at the outrun. This is where you come to a stop. It's about a 200-yard slowing down process, and then you get out here on this dock. First time I went to Lake Placid, they put me in a group with 15 other guys. They were all beginners. Every day, a couple of them were quitting. By the end of the first year, I'm the only one left. I couldn't believe it. They were quitting on their dream. And then 4 years later, as I was marching into the opening ceremonies here at the Calgary Olympics, I was feeling so great, but at the same time, I felt sad for these guys who were just watching it on TV. And I knew that it was killing them inside. I knew it was going to hurt so much they're going to change channels. They couldn't watch the Olympics the rest of their life. And so it's going to be tough, okay? It's going to be tough. But you know what? It's going to be so worth it. It's going to be so worth it. I paid a huge price to make my dream come true, but the price they're paying, the price of regret, it's 100 times worse. So chase your dream, go after it, dedicate your life to the pursuit of your dream, and make it an Olympic day.